So hello brothers and sisters of India and America. So we are going to talk this discussion on the topic which is our placement drive in upcoming 5 days. In the upcoming Saturday there is a placement drive of the robust solutions, and there are so many companies in the pipeline just like the Accenture, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini and so many. So what we have to do? Simply we have to not take the any stress, but we have to relax. So we have to concentrate our energies, and we have to focus. The world is dedicated to give us the anything means, but we have to knock the door of the that knowledge. Okay, the it is one of the quote of the Swami Vivekananda ji. I'm telling to you brother, that the world is giving us the all the things means all the knowledge, but we have a proper we need a very proper concentration and the focus. If we have the concentration and the focus, we can achieve anything and we can do anything. So brothers and sisters, we I'm going to tell you a simple technique, and which I am going to use every day. So I use the cognitive skills and the speaking English practice. I used to give the mock test just like the coding ninjas, free of cost mock tests, which help me to build my consistency. And if I am consistent, it's very much profitable for me, and the profitable also profitable for you. So I also request you to be concentrated, be focused, and prepare for yourself. If my friends place in a good company, I am very happy, and I am also trying to give my best to be placed in such a product based company. My wish is to go to the product based company. I don't want to work with the service based company, so I'm preparing for the product based. So uh, we are going to talk on the some important topics of the technical, just like the I'm preparing for the ethical hacking, and I'm just try to do the I wish to do the CCNA networking course, which is certified, which is given by the Cisco. Okay, so hello, once again, there is a short break. Okay, in the upcoming 5 days we are going to prepare such a manner that we are going to solve any problems, but we need the strong focus and we need the strong concentration. For that, we have to do simple tasks just like maintaining the streaks of doing the aptitude, doing the verbal, doing the cognitive. There is a need of the technical skills just like the programming, coding. We need to do the coding and keep searching brother. Okay, so here there is a Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Yes, I always read I Bhagavad Gita to increase my comprehension capability. Then very nice. I recommend it all of you to read the Gita Srinivas audiobook, which I will send to you on the description box. And we, as an Hindu, we should have the knowledge of the Gita. It is one of the sacred knowledge which is given to us by the God, Almighty God, that is Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu. Okay, okay, mortal, immortal. It consists of the everything which is necessary in this material world. So we are going to talk. So we are going to talk on the technical topics just like the C, CPP, Java, and the Python. These are my favorite four languages. Apart from that, I am also going toward the JavaScript and the PHP for the backend, which is a hypertext preprocessor, and it is a scripting language. So as an backend developer, we need a strong foundation in the backend languages like the PHP, and also have the knowledge of the SQL database just like the MySQL, MongoDB. MongoDB is just required for the unstructured database, and which consists of the large amount of the data. Okay, then I'm going to tell you one simple topic, one simple way to enhance your resume by implementing the projects. The projects are very much necessary for your hiring process. If the recruiter asks you for the project, you have the depth knowledge of the project. Means if you have built any project from the Merge or the data science or the Android or the any web development project or any data science project. So you should he can ask, the recruiter can ask you the any question from the if we have the if you have done a machine learning project, then he definitely asks about the TensorFlow. What is TensorFlow? Then you able to give the answer that the TensorFlow is the machine learning library which is used for the image recognition system in image recognition purpose. And you should be very confident if he asks you the what is the feature of the Java. So you should be very confident to tell that it is an object-oriented language. It has the so many concept of the object-oriented. It is a dynamic language. It is a high-level language. It's has the many dynamic features and so on. We can talk more and more. And the one simple technique I am going to you to crack the interview is to elaborate it. Means if he asks you the simple question, so don't try to give the don't try to explain it, don't try to elaborate it. But if it asks you the hard question, so you have to elaborate it. Means elasticity is very much necessary. So if he asks you the what is your database, so you can tell him more and more about the database. Means the database contain the SQL, and the SQL contain all the three languages: DML, DDL, DQL, TCL, and here you can talk more and more. It includes the relational algebra and so on, so on, so on. So simple technique is to crack the interview is to doing the practice. The practice come by doing the workout regularly. I just give you the simple advice to focus on the cash model. What is cash model? It consists of the cash: K for the knowledge, A for the attitude, S for the skills, and the H for the habit. So there is one quadrant in there is a K and S, means knowledge and skills. Then there are cash, KASH. There is one quadrant, KASH, knowledge, cash, KASH, knowledge. So we must focus, we always focus on the, and we always focus and pay our money on the knowledge and skills. But we don't try to focus on our what is on the second quadrant, that is second and fourth quadrant, that is attitude and habit. If we focus on that attitude and the habit, if we have the positive attitude towards our goal and towards our career, towards our focus, then definitely we can do. And the habit is very much needed, brother. If you have the habit of doing the scrolling, then you can definitely become a good coder. The practice is very much essential to become a good software engineer, because I'm just going to tell you this is the era of the artificial intelligence. And the artificial intelligence, we know all know that there is there is a lot of competition in the field of the AI, and so many technological innovation is happening right now in our country and all over the world, whether it is America or the Australia or the India. So if we have to survive in this battle, survive in this world, we should have definitely have good skills. We definitely need good skills. So talking about the skills, we should have the any skills and master over it. If we want to become a good aptitude, why the aptitude is necessary, brother? Means why the company is going to ask you the aptitude is just in Hindi we call the aptitude as an yogyata. Means if you yogya for this, if you means if you capable of doing that, so doing the work, then definitely you can do. The aptitude consists of the quantitative aptitude, verbal, and the non-verbal reasoning, and the verbal. Quants means just numerical reasoning. There is a different types of reasoning, and the third is the verbal topics. Yes, verbal means communication, conversation, antonyms, synonyms, idioms, and so on. Brother, very much hard work is needed. There is only a 5 days remaining, so I'm continuously talking you about the two. Yes, you should have definitely a strong communication. If you have the definitely strong communication, you can communicate with your friends. And network is very crucial, brother. If you have the strong network, then you can definitely get a good opportunity. So try to elongate your network. So I am also doing the elaborating my network with talking with my seniors, juniors, my friend, and my wish to go to the abroad. Definitely yes, there is a lot of opportunity abroad. In India there is a competition, and in India also there is a lot of jobs, but going to the abroad country and learning something new is very much challenging for me. Yes, that's always keep motivated me to pursue my career further. Okay, thank you, brothers and sisters of India and America. See you later.